bayithi ngilate but okusalayo sengila diniwe ngxaki leyo diniwe like I feel like unyaka should end ngoSeptember and then from October onwards angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but asana ndiyayinyova ibhayisekile it's not going nowhere. That's me. Masingeneni ke mabenana review Nandi and the Rev. Bethuna siyambona uQueen Nandi back from esibhedlele after ezitetisile ke sana. Still I cannot wrap my head around it. How did she do it? Like why midwife before? Like I have questions and little answers. Like nazi impendulo but ke siyavuya uQueen Nandi nomntwana be-right. I think they went for a checkup esibhedlele. She didn't want to stay too long. Omnye before umntana even passed istool because kaloku siyayazi esibhedlele awuhambi uqonda uba yhu asana yenza sizophuma siphele esibhedlele. Betunana I'm not against home births but I think save imali ye-midwife umuntu ozokunceda every step of the way. Yayibona laa nto just for into to be safety bethunana, to be safety. So singayizamini emakhaya. I know that I think for me looking back I'm like, oh, home birth would have been nice. Uthi scented candles, your favorite music, ube laa nto kakhe mntakabawo bathini i-water bath, very nice, a home in your space with a midwife present. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, that's my take on it. So uyabuya ke uQueen Nandi. It was so sweet of abantwana bakhe and other children. I think about cousins abantwana bakhe. They had some welcome notes and like balloons and stuff. It was cute to it. They're a beautiful family, man. Mandi Chumambenan. uQueen Nandi no Rev, they are a beautiful family. I think into ibhidana phakathi kwabo, but bona, they have like beautiful family traditions like games nights, lamthandaza wabo ke ukutya, even though the kids are not too impressed with it. But I think xa besebenza, like it works man into yabo. Qha ke ngoku andazi ndive kwi-preview next week uLize sithi perhaps uQueen Nandi has outgrown uRev. That's awubona. Then ngeyabuye uQueen Nandi nobaba wakhe, baba wabo umRev akashawuti sikangaka sana. Listen, I know what she did. Nathi she's shocked, ne? But kaloku ngoku ubuyile esibhedlele yena nomntwana ba-right. That's all that matters in the end. Akashawutisi umRev, akashawutisi. Wazogcina ngelithi anyway ke congratulations. After eshawutisa washawutisa this is your beautiful wife nomntwana ba-right mRev. Yes, do express that nkosikazi. Above all, eyona concern yam ngale nto uye wayenza ibiyi-safety yakho nomntwana. Bendingafuni wenza into ezawujeopardize i-health yakho ne-health yomntwana. I don't know uba bendizothini if anything had happened to you, but I'm so happy that ni-right because I love you. Something like that. Then ivale, ungadweli kuyo too much. And I'm not saying don't address things, sweep them under the carpet, but there's a place and a time. And unkosikazi wakho has just given birth. Sana wenze into enkulu. I-labor kaloku is not child's play. What really matters ngoku is you taking care of her as she is recovering at home. Ungabi shawutisa isidala because uNandi uthi yena ubone into yobana sana ndindedwa apha ekumuta plan mark. Wathi uNandi imbokodo maka plan. Wayenza iplan yasucceeda ke mabetunana. I'm not saying we don't talk about it and whatever, but ngokukhona umntwana barayithi bobabini, get on with daddy and husband duties. Iyaqonda? Be there. Ba-TLC bobabini. Because giving birth is a lot. Andikhathanga uba ngumntwana kwesi-7 na kakade. Recovering after ubeleke umntwana, sana yenye into naleyo. Ayidingi intshawutiso yakho, idinga i-presence yakho and saying, okay, now we're here, how do I best support uNandi nomntwana? Mna ke futhi ndiyakulantuka. Senjengoba ndikujonge ngelinye imehlo. Kutheni ungayipostponanga i-meeting nebishop? Instead uyazititiveyitha mntakabawo, looking all dapper. Unkosikazi wakho uthi ngelo xesha, when it's just you and her around the house, awufaki effort. Awufaki effort yoba ube cute, ube ntontoni. You understand? Ube tralala for yena. But xa uyodibana no-bishop, colognes must come out and all of that. Faka i-effort. Akuyekwa ukufaka i-effort noba sendisazana for i-20 years nakakade. Effort till kude kuyoklozwa kaloku umrev. Anyway, siyambona umrev ke, he goes to the meeting with a bishop. I don't know if I would have waited for this long for a closure, but it's a calling for him. It was not just an ordinary job, but yokuba umephi nebandla. The cameras are not allowed to get a meeting kamrev no bishop, so we're not. He's hopeful, I guess. Asazi really how the conversation went, but he's hopeful. But he still has to wait. Still, after waiting for so long, your eyes are. Then Siambona, he goes to a cute coffee shop to meet with a friend yakhe. A friend did say, Bonile ba, a little one has come into the world. And so they're catching up. But there's one thing that Umrev said that's stayed with me. Ochiena no Nandi. Today they can be fighting, tomorrow they're making babies. And I was asking myself, Umrev, uthetha ukuthini ke ngoku? Uthetha uba imvisiswano nemvano yenu nothando lwenu luqala kwibedroom, niphele kwibedroom. But outside, le iqala kwibedroom, it does not extend to the outside. Ngoba nangoku sithi I love you kunkosikazi, uthi unkosikazi wakho thanks. I'm like, hayibo. Yeah, what is the meaning of this? Umrev ubuya sekurhatyele ke sana. I don't know, because it seemed ingathi yakhawuleza into yakhe ne-catch-up session no-friend, which would have made sense ngoba ushiye unkosikazi osandobeleka at home. 7th child or not, still uyayidinga i-TLC noncedo around the house as she recovers. Umrev ubuye sekurhatyele, ndiyabona into yobana uNandi is not impressed. uNandi uphekile. Strong uNandi, I'm telling you. Umrev sesithi kunuka kamandi ntontonto. And Mrev, it's not just ushiye uNandi nosana. Kukho nabanye abantwana that need care. Hayi kodwa noko wenze isinono. Hayi wenze ayikho kaloku. Ithini nasana into? Okanye wena bungayifuni i-big family, nguNandi ofuna i-big family. Ithini into yakho? Because kaloku nawe awukwazi uba awuso-spectator in all of this. Uyi-participant ekwenzeni abantwana. So show up and shine, ndoda endala. Hayi khange ndithande. Guys, it's a lot. Sometimes you're in pain as you're recovering. Kasi kubekho umuntu ozokuranela ibhasi, enetyiwe ezirhofu, yonke laa nto to help you to recover. Ufuneka usele itest, uyancancisa. It's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. And you do need your darling partner right next to you. Yeah, I understand that. Benikunye kaloku ekwenzeni nasekuhoyeni ngoku. Be together, smomoza. You understand that? Please, Mref, sometimes uyandiphoxa mna. Hayi. Do better.